behind the scenes of Finn Cavendel versus Jasper. In speed stacking versus speed eating. He's got to get a 5.
No!
Oh no. He's got to get a 5 before Jasper finishes eating his pizza. Blue Cheese 747, Sports Stacker 59, and Jasper Griffin. Yes, he got a 5!
Yes.
590, Jasper lost, Finn won, Finn Cavendel is the winner for the second time, and I recorded the behind the features. Subscribe to him, subscribe to Finn, subscribe to Jasper, subscribe to Tor, and this is the best party ever in Jasper's house. Peace out, whole dog!